Hello children, today we'll learn about edges. In maths, page number 159. Edges. Children, this is a set square. Might be you have seen this is one type of scale that is called set square, and it is in the shape of triangle, three sides. Okay. When we are putting this set square here and we are drawing the outline, after drawing, when we will remove that set square, means if we will remove that scale, you will get this type of figure. And this figure, in this diagram, you just see there are three lines. Okay. Three lines means three line segments. See, from here to here, one straight line. Which type of line, children? This is slipping line. That is your horizontal line. And one standing line, that is which line? That is vertical line. And this one is slanting line. But they have a fixed point. Means from here it stops. They are not extending from this side or this side. It means this is not a line. This is a line segment. Okay. This line ends here and here. There is two end point. It means this is your line segment. So in a closed figure, the line segments are called the edges. Okay. Similarly, just you see this postcard. If you will put the postcard and you will draw the outline of the postcard, and when you will remove this postcard, you will get this type of figure, that is rectangle. And the postcard is having how many line segments? 4 line segments. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 line segments in a closed figure, these line segments are called edges. What they call? Edges. Clear, children? So, now come to this figure. Let us observe objects around us. The hanger has 3 edges. Each edge is a line segment. Yes, see, this is one line segment, this is one line segment, and this is one. There are 3 line segments, means 3 edges. Okay, each edge is called line segment. Another figure. There is an envelope. The envelope has 4 edges. See, one edge, second, third and 4 edge. And each edge is called a line segment. On the basis of edges and line segment, we will do exercise number 13.4. Put the date, children, and also put classwork. Look at the picture and fill in the boxes. This is your sandwich, and a sandwich has 6 edges. See how? This is 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, and that side, that will be 6. And each edge is your a line segment. Okay. Similarly, come to the next page, that is page number 160. The doormat has 4 edges. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each edge is a line segment. Next, this shape has 5 edges. Just count it and check. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 edge, and each edge is a line segment. Next one, this shape has 6 edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 edge. Each edge is a line segment. Now children, what it is? It is a starfish. The starfish has 10 edge. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And each edge is a line segment. Same, this is for your star also. 5 petals, so 10. Just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Each edge is a line segment. Clear children?